Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in UK Student Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in UK Student Finance Login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo or as a Student Finance Login. Now scroll down a little bit and here you can see sign in button, click on it. Here you need your email address or your CRN number and your password, so type in your email address. If you have forgotten your email address or your CRN number, you can click on this link and recover it. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on create an account to create a new account. Now click on continue, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in UK Student Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.